Well, hello everyone. I am your favorite game dev VTuber born in the chaos of the lab. How is everyone doing today? I'm getting better at it. That intro is now ingrained in my brain. So, Mr. Tibbs, what is thy problem besides these nuts jokes? Do tell. Is it regarding the Tetris? Okay, then I guess we are skipping the countdown. Yeah, I normally just skip the countdown when I know that I'm ready. So yeah, that countdown is mostly for me to get everything ready and for the ads to be over on Twitch. Just that. This bought myself an energy drink. Don't like it. Back to the addiction, I see. Holy. For shame. For shame. Hey, Fatih, welcome on in. In full force. Holy. You have an addiction. Stop it. Get some help. I always wanted to do that one. I only bought one. Should have bought two as usual. Bloody hell. Oh, title has Godot in it. My bad. Let me put the same title I have on YouTube. Give me a second. My bad. I always forget the freaking title on Twitch. It's impressive. Oh, yoop. Okay, now it's the same. When does the game jam start? That was one of the points I was gonna touch. Monday afternoon, in 13 hours. So you are 1 hour ahead of me, Tips. It should be 12 p.m. your time. So yeah, that's basically it. We have 13 hours until the game jam starts. 2 p.m. might... Oh yeah, you are 3 hours ahead of me, or 4. This is 11 p.m. for me, isn't it? 11 a.m. I mean. Oh, I thought he hosted his game jam. That would be cool. Yeah, no, I still don't have the... How should I say it? I don't have the numbers to pull a game jam off, per se. Oh no, 12 p.m. I misremembered. Yeah. It's 11 a.m. for me, so yeah. Give me a second. My nose is a bit blocked. I'm at work at that time. You don't need to start working on it as soon as it opens. I mean, also, why the fuck is the encoder overloaded? What is overloading the encoder? Huh. Give me a second. Okay, what's bugging out? This sure is taking a lot. Okay, I think it's better now. Must have been some sort of glitch. Must have been the wind. I mean, as I joined the... Oh, I forgot about the Game Boy Jam. When does it start? Because I love that one. GB Jam. Starts in 19 days. Guys. I'm gonna participate in this. 2 years ago, I tried participating in it. But I failed because I suck at C++ and I was trying to do it in C++. I might do 2 in a row, holy. But yeah, how is everyone doing today? I'm basically doing fine. What's it about? This one, you have to make a game in inspired by Game Boy. Can you work, please? We will work. Give me a second. Let me do the intro first. I need to warm up the chat a bit. But yeah, essentially you have to make a game that's inspired by Game Boy games. So it has to have a specific resolution. It has to have a theme that they will announce. It has to have Game Boy controls, so you only can use D-pad and A and B. Start and select as well. Yeah, start and select. Okay. It has to have 4 colors maximum. and preferably in a palette that resembles a Game Boy game. Obviously, no AI art or AI tools. Okay, that's fair. And you have to make everything except the font. So, yeah, you have to basically make it as accurate to a Game Boy game as possible. So, yeah, this might be fun to participate. I can make it in Game Maker or something like that, because they don't say it needs to be done in basically the Game Boy engine per se. Neither in GB Studio nor the C++ library for making Game Boy games. I don't remember what it was. Question about joining GB Jam. I have a team, blah blah blah. Can I submit multiple games? Blah blah. Questions about entries. What are the rules on audio? All audio must be made during the jam period. There are no specific rules on style, but making it feel like a Game Boy sound is encouraged. That might earn you some extra points as well. To be honest, this is the reason why I would learn STL for this jam. I tried back in the day. I don't think I still have the code for it. It wasn't easy. I think I got stuck on doing level progression. I'm not trying to win. I am trying to get the finished program, basically. And that's a valid idea for it. Can I submit an SFW game? Blah, 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 blah. Who owns the rights to my game? That's obviously one of the givens. Extras. Please feel free to use this optional splash screen. Oh, they even have a splash screen. I have yet to make my first game. You're on your way to it. Ouch. Why did you bonk me? Why? What have I done? I'm warming up the stream. Give me a second. You guys have no fun. Sorry if my throat still hasn't recovered. I basically have been overexerting my voice for a bit, apparently. So yeah, sometimes I might cough a bit. I've been on my way for 3 years. I mean, besides Game Jam games, I only made my own project like 3-4 years into learning game dev, I think. Trying to remember, but I think it was 3 or 4 years. Because I wanted to.
I would grab your kitty ears and put your head back.
Nanny the fuck. Nanny the fuck dibs. And yes, the new TTS is working. I got it to work. I meant simple. Golly. Nanny the fuck. Let me just see something. What is the track that Twitch is recording the VOD to? Just for me to check something. Because I kind of forgot. Okay, it's on 5. Right, so that will appear in the clips. Good. I was checking if the TTS would show up in the clips on the VOD eventually. So yeah. But yeah, that's basically it. Participate in game jams, kids. It's good for you. You'll learn skills. Let me see. I'll join this one. Hopefully I can do something on that one. Let's see. For the brackies, we are almost know the theme. 12 hours to go, or 13, and a bit more. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. We have a whole week to work on our games, starting tomorrow. If you want, you can start like trying to picture several ideas. You kind of know the themes, so you can start figuring out ideas for each of the teams. And as soon as it gets announced, go full at it. Will you be working during the week of the game jam? What do you mean? My job? My job, yes. But most changes that or most things I'll do for the game, yeah, your day job, yeah, I'm gonna be working. Like, I just started my job. I can't take vacations like that. And I kind of wouldn't take for a game jam. I'd still do it while on my job. So yeah, I'll work my 8 hours, I'll chill a bit, and yeah, I'll jump straight to the game jam game and see what I can do. That's gonna be it, basically. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's been a while since I participated in a game jam, so gonna need to stretch my legs. When was the last time I participated? It was in December, right? For the what was it? We did that game that was a tower defense game. That was Christmas theme. No, no, no. February, I think I didn't participate, if I remember correctly. I think I tried to participate in something, but something came up. I think it was kind of at the start of the whole shit fiasco with my old job. And yeah, I kind of was too tired and couldn't even participate. How am I so sleepy? I just had a whole half liter of half liter. Bloody hell. You need to chill down. Yeah. You're on your way to have issues with your heart. Like, golly. Just one can. Just one can is enough for me to be accelerated to 110 BPM. My kids is not nothing. Kids, don't follow the advice of my lead moderator. Don't chug energy drinks like that. You're gonna suffer. Like, holy. Drink water, kids. Water is good for you. But yeah. As for the game, uh, I still need to finish the title screen because there's still a lot to do. Apologies. I'm having some issues with my throat. Give me a second. I need to drink water. The heart, yeah.
I heard kidneys and heart are accessory organs with no real importance.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, no importance, no. One just helps filter your blood and everything like that. The other is essentially what pumps your blood and keeps you alive. Yeah, that's definitely not important. Can I put this guy's in brain rot in the text speech? Sure. Nothing is gonna stop you. So yeah. What's first? Mahoraga? With this what was it? With this divine treasure I summon you? Or are you gonna do Hollow Purple? Do tell. But yeah, as for this, I need to essentially finish this. I don't know if I want to keep the leaderboard, because I feel the leaderboard is gonna cause a lot of issues, especially regarding internet. I don't know. Right now, it's kind of working as I designed. I have a changelog in the home screen, so players can keep up to date with what I've done. So yeah, as you can see, it now reads from my those little headers I do called changelog. It's an attribute you define in C#. I basically defined one for this in my helper library, and the other day I managed to make it to read and essentially output to this panel. So every time I do a change to one part of the code, I can just go in here and say changelog version 1.1.0 and this. Yeah. This for now does nothing. The play button, it starts to play, which is great. One thing I need to figure out is how to make it restart the game without essentially having to reload the scene. Because right now it's reloading the scene. I might have to keep track of the enemy spawned and essentially clear them up. Let me see if I have a wave controller. I have wave manager. Spawned enemies. Okay. Do they spawn under the... They might not. No. Gonna do this then. Gonna clear all enemies when it restarts. Double void clear enemies. Apologies. As an intro... Huh? What's gonna come from here? Do you remember?
As the integral got out his pen and started solving the problem, he asked the function, are you 0? Because we are integrating along a closed contour. Or are we integrating alongside a closed contour cause you are 0?
It, I couldn't find a copy pasta. Huh? It kind of confused me with that one. Fun fact, even though I'm a programmer, I don't understand most math concepts. Integrals and limits are one of those. I have no fucking clue what you're talking about. So yeah. Just guys and fans are doing math memes, which... The fuck? Really? That's... interesting. Hyokari! Hey! How are you? Welcome on in. Let me see. I want to go through every enemy and I want to destroy them. I hope this works, because I'm not sure. Let me see. If I go with a for each or a 4 and I remove the enemies, I can just do this. Var enemies equals underscore enemies spawned dot to list, or just that. For each var enemy in enemies destroy enemy. This is a game object, right? Oh. Yeah. Why? Oh. I'm an idiot. Spawned enemies. Ouch. You just joined in and you're already bonking me. Ah, yeah. Welcome on in. Okay, how are you? I'm doing game dev stuff. It's very important. Ouch. By the way, that hurt. You are a game object. Okay, I can delete it. Couldn't hold on, my bad. Well, the redeem is there for a reason. Let me see. So, spawned enemies dot remove and pass in the enemy. Gonna do it this way just in case. You never know. It might start freaking out because it can't find it. Wait a minute, why am I trying to remove it? I'm dumb. There's a thing called a clear. Ah, yeah. Seriously, Saturday night and I'm already like this. I blame Tibbs for reminding me of math. Yeah, it's your fault, Tibbs. You fried my brain with math memes. Let me see. So now I need to point to the game manager on death to say clear the enemies. And while I'm here, I need to clean up all of the tabs. Close all but pinned. Okay, that's better. Load the game, start on validate, that's not it. Restart game, okay. You are not to reload the scene. all of this. Stop that. Wave manager dot instance dot restart. I need to code that as restart. Apologies. Restart. So we clear the enemies. Clear enemies. We tell it to say spawning was false. Enemies left is equal to 0. Enemies spawned is equal to 0. And wave is equal to 1. Okay, that's same as it just started. I'm gonna stop all coroutines as well. Okay, this basically stops anything I have running in background. Also, I'm good just spawning chat after eating cake. Oh, nice. What kind of cake was it? But yeah. C, C++, C Sharp, C Sharp. Though yesterday I was working on C++. I built a new TTS app for myself. This way, on YouTube, they can also use TTS. It's a very complicated way on how I managed to do it. So I have StreamerBot that has a command that connects to a point system that I also imported into StreamerBot that basically says if you have 50 points on YouTube, you can use the TTS command. Give it a second.
Test 1, test 2.
There you go. Yeah. This is using a local Kokoro instance on my server. So I can kind of say all my infrastructure is running locally. So yeah. Though that leaves me in a vulnerable position if the server decides to break. Which I hope it doesn't anytime soon. Because I just got it like 2 months ago. So yeah. But yeah, essentially StreamerBot connects the TTS message. So if I go into here, the TTS redeem, it gets the point name associated to a person. How much for it? If you can share. As soon as I have everything finished, I will share the code. Right now it's a bit in an unfinished state. But yeah, I'll clean up everything and like publish to GitHub so people can see the code, make improvements to it. I also need to clear my secrets out of it because my configuration is public on my repository. Public as per se, because a repository itself is private. But yeah, this is gonna explode your knowledge. Let's see. But yeah, it's been a fun project as well. But I did programming in 10th grade. Nice! Did you do a programming course or was just a class? I just don't like it anymore. Fair enough. Fair enough. I understand. Uh, trust me, some of yes, from 10 to 12. Nice. I basically took the same kind of course. I did a professional high school course, majoring in programming and IT. So yeah, I know that feeling exactly. Yeah, so it was the same kind of course, but yeah, programming is not for everyone. That's one of the things I always say. It's a very demanding, it's a very demanding role. Even I sometimes like get overloaded. Yeah, you still love it though. Yeah, that's the issue. It can be something you love, but at a given point you're gonna hate it because yeah, the job market for development is just horrible sometimes. You weren't around when this happened, but at the start of the year, I had essentially a mental breakdown because of my work. Like, my job was so demanding, I essentially was shutting down, like mental wise. I just couldn't handle development. Like, I couldn't see code in front of me because, yeah, I was just like too overloaded, and they just kept piling on until one day I snapped and said, no, I'm gonna put my what's it called? My sick leave, and yeah, just screw it. I'm gonna find a new job, and yeah, I meanwhile found a new job, and I'm loving it. It's way better. Well, my first internship. Yeah, broke me up. Yeah, my first internship was as an IT technician for a department in what's it called? University. Yeah, it was near my school, so yeah, that was a plus. But it was very demanding. Bro was demanding free work that I had no idea of because I didn't study. Yeah, that's an issue with an internship. Guys, if you own a company and you're doing internships, do keep in mind you need to freaking teach your interns. You don't expect them to come in and know what they're doing. Like, no one will know. You need to do proper formations for it was on a government property. What? That's even worse. What the holy. Yeah, that's horrible. Like, what the fuck was that? Holy. Uh, but yeah. I mean, I don't know. Like, you just unlocked me with that one. What the fuck? I'm expecting that from like a startup, not from that. Like, what the heck? Is it like something with public things where they just expect you to know everything and not train you? Guys, internship is training. You are there to be trained in the art of whatever you're trying to do. You're not there to work, you're there to be trained. Especially since most internships for studies are only 3 months, at most like 6. I don't remember the exact amount, but yeah, it's normally not too much of like time. That's usually an onboarding time in most companies. Like, it just doesn't make sense. He just dropped off work for me to develop a website with stuff I had no idea. I was on the 11th grade. He wanted work from 12th grade. Yeah, that really is dumb. Hey Jamie, welcome on in. Long time no see, buddy. But yeah, if I saw that happen in front of me, I would call out that guy like instantly. Because you don't expect someone to just come in and already know what to do. I had that fucking happen to me in my second internship. I was doing what is called a STESP, which is technically a higher superior technical course, which is below university but on top of high school. It's in an in-between level. And the internship was in C#. It was horrible because I didn't know anything, and my brain just, I have ADHD. Like, for me to catch on to something, you need to really like catch my attention and not like overflow me with information, because if you try to overflow me with information right from the start, that's it. My brain shuts down there, because most information will just enter one ear, leave the other. You need to keep me like in an interested loop for me to like get everything correct. So yeah, but yeah, that is not the bad part, because from there I went to be a game development intern. I kind of switched and started working in Unity, which was great. And then I switched to web development as a job. Like they offered me a job as soon as I finished my internship. That job was the worst year and the 2 months I ever had. Well, second most now, technically. But yeah, I was working like a slave, trying to get. Essentially, I was doing what's it called? Cloud management because I had to ensure Azure was always up with the services for something I didn't even code and didn't even was the one making it. So yeah, I didn't know anything about the Azure by then. Doing WordPress website for a client that basically I didn't know how to work with WordPress. You know how I did it? I basically hammered the WordPress code until it worked. I hammered that code so hard that if anyone ever tried to change it, the whole site would break. Because I didn't know what I was doing. I was just random bullshit, go. And yeah, that's basically it. Is it just me or they use old programs everywhere? An old ass structure, yeah. Yeah. My last job was using .NET 4.5, which is 13 years out of maintenance, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, that was an experience as well. Hence why I was having mental breakdowns. I didn't know how to work with that shit. Because yeah, what we were trying to do was just not that possible anymore. And yeah, security warnings everywhere. That was fun. But yeah, it's a common thing. Luckily, the company I'm working with now has actual up-to-date infrastructure. Their systems are amazing to work with. Like I feel like I'm in heaven compared to the hell I was in. Because yeah, it's just like two complete opposites of the spectrum. So yeah. But yeah, I understand your feelings towards programming, honestly. Especially since programming as a role is maybe one of the most leading in like mental problems. You have a lot of people suffering from anxiety, depression, from just mental breakdowns, from burnout. Like, I think with AI it's even worse. Honestly, with AI, it kind of is a bit more bearable, if I'm gonna be honest. On the programming side, the AI can actually sometimes provide help, which does help our mental, as long as companies don't force it down our throats. Thought they were coding wrong for y'all. Yeah. Actually, right now we are using Codex, if I'm not mistaken, and it's kind of helpful sometimes, because sometimes I want to like know where certain things are. I kind of ask him, it like, where's this code located at? And it just pinpoints me everything. Sometimes gives me suggestions on how I can edit it because I'm still learning. So no, don't worry, don't worry. I also like to yap a lot about programming, so it's fine. I like to share my experiences. So yeah. Um, but yeah, AI can be helpful, but you need to view it as a tool in coding. Only view it as a tool, not as your like work thing. Like, don't make it do all the work. You need to learn from what it's doing, basically. At least that's the way I try to see it. And for example, yesterday, I didn't know how to do WebSockets in C++. I asked Claude, how do I do this? Do you have any suggestion how we can implement this? And it analyzed my code for the TTS and basically said, okay, do this. And there you go. With that, I learned how to do a UDP server, which is what StreamerBot is using to connect to the TTS. So yeah, AI is your tool, just that. Keep that in mind. Don't do vibe coding because you'll learn nothing, and if the AI goes down, what then? You're basically stuck with nothing. Don't depend on AI. Learn your skills as well. Because there's going to be downtime and you're basically going to be looking at the wall. Like you're going to be watching the paint dry. So yeah. And that has been a PSA by Leo. Because yeah, I've seen that happen a lot. My hubby is a programmer. If anything, I make him do it. 10 out of 10. That's a good idea. Hubby AI, how do I do this? Uh, yeah, that's perfect. But yeah, where was I? I was doing the system invaders, right? Don't have to pay memberships. Yeah, that's a good point. Yeah, I I support that idea. That's the best AI. The free one that already lives with you. Love it. Okay, but yeah, uh, to explain what I'm working on now, because I'm doing a pause from the TTS app because I still need to do a lot of work. I just proceeded to cuss out Stack Overflow until my program works. That's what we did back in the old days, before AI. Back in the old days, we went through Stack Overflow and we were looking for the most upvoted answer. If it was not related to the solution, we'd spam the shit out of the person. Like, where's the solution? Or something like if they said, "Oh, I already solved it," but didn't leave the solution, everyone would just would just like be pissed off because where's the fucking solution then? You need to share that. You don't just ask for help and then don't share the solution. Like holy, or random YouTube tutorials. Yeah. That's one of the things I'm trying to do as well. I'm trying to make YouTube tutorials to basically help out with that because yeah, I already have some knowledge that I can share, so might as well do something. And yeah, although most of the tutorials I've been doing is Godot, I can show it. Give me a second. Studio. I already have some lined up. Some. I only have one that's scheduled. It's here. So back like 2 years ago, I think I did a tutorial on how to install Godot on Windows and Linux, I think. I don't remember if I did on Linux, but yeah. Recently this week, I was like looking at my past videos, seeing what was doing great, and I was like, this one in particular is old. I basically have learned a lot more since then. I can redo the whole series, and yeah, never use Godot, but use Unity for making 2D game. Godot is kind of better than Unity for 2D games. Just keep in mind, if you're already used to Unity, Godot is going to be different. Earlier? Wait, no. Easier. Yeah, easier. I've been, like, I started working on Godot last year. I already know how to do a lot of things in Godot. Unity had a bigger learning curve for me. Although for me it's easier because yeah, I already had experience with game engine, so was just switching my knowledge to it. Yeah, I heard it can be used for VTuber stuff. Yeah, it can. Unity and Godot can be used for our VTuber models as well. For example, you see these two over here. They are running in Unity. I made, I basically imported the Live 2D package into Unity. I created the two avatars and just configure it with how I had it in VTube Studio. And yeah, there they are. Can they talk to me? They can. You see in the point redeems, you have something called Talk to Tulip and Talk to Daisy. If you redeem that, you can talk to them. And Jamie, on the YouTube side, you just need to do exclamation mark Tulip or exclamation mark Daisy and your message. I demand attention. Give it a second because they are a bit slow.
It seems we're running low on system resources. Tulip. We need to optimize our code architecture
Yeah.
before the stream
They're
crashes.
still not perfect. I still need to optimize the models and everything like that because, yeah. What do you mean? No. Like, their model is not... yeah, their model is not perfect like Neurosama and Evil. I'm using a... I don't remember which model I'm using. But every now and then I switch the model around. Because, yeah, the model starts misbehaving or something. Okay, I'm using Llama 3.2. Hello, Tulip, I demand attention. If I go in here, should be 192. Okay, port 9000.
I think we've got this covered, Dad. Our system
Oops.
resources are still running fine, and we can totally handle a little chaos.
What do you mean,
After
that?
all, it's not like we're going to break the
It wasn't
internet
me.
again.
Tulip's
Yeah,
confidence in our ability to
model is a
handle
bit
minor
finicky.
issues is amusing. Let me just quickly
might
check
need
our
to
code
change around.
logs to confirm
How
our
is that going
system
to break?
resources are
Ow.
still within acceptable bounds.
Give me
Oh,
a
Dad,
second.
you're so dramatic. I'm sure we can handle a little chaos.
Wasn't me. Are you sure they're breeding? Yeah, kinda. I think. Have you been feeding them? Yeah. I've been feeding them bytes. So yeah. They're up to megabytes. Sorry, I tried to make a joke, but yeah, no. Let me see. I think you're starving them, maybe. They might need gigabytes. Let me see. Olama LS. At a given point, I remember using Mistral. Mistral Lite, I don't remember how that went. Quen was our previous one. Let me return them to Quen 3.34b. Because I remember that one worked for quite a long time. And then the Fire Nation attacked for some reason. Okay, let me switch that. See if now that changes something. Talk to Tulip. Why? I redeemed Talk to Tulip, not TTS new. What the heck, Twitch? We're freaking out. Test. Do you eat bites, perhaps? Let's see if now it works. I'm also gonna do something, because I need to monitor the server resources. SSH 192.168.0.26. I put the wrong password. Okay. There it goes. IP given for free. Yeah, my local IP. Okay, there it goes. Oh boy, that's odd.
Whoa,
Okay.
Hayakari, do you eat bites? I think I just swallowed a whole stack of memory leaks and it tasted like regret.
That's like a regret.
But yeah, if you really want to know, I eat logic, not bites. Though I do have a special fondness for
Okay,
C hash, it's peak man.
Bruh.
Test, Dad, you just said test like it's a command, not a suggestion. I already deployed the
Okay,
zero
the
gravity dance
instruct
floor update. It
works
worked, I
better.
swear.
It might not have as much emotion, but it works better for their use case. Never touching the model again. And this is the point where our future Leo kind of like interjects into the video editing and just says that I changed the model eventually. She understands more. It's like she got a burn. Yeah, because I was using a normal text model before. And now I changed for an instruction-based model. So it accepts instructions a bit better and interprets them better. I hope. Oh no, what is your favorite thing to do? I hope they don't break right now, cause yeah. Okay. Looks like the GPU is handling it correctly. No, do your thing. Have fun. I created them for a reason. It's to entertain chat. So yeah, have fun. Let me see. I was trying to do the whole reset loop routine. Here I'd say it's fine. Does seem to be correct. What I was trying to explain is stop all coroutines basically stops all background tasks that this class is running. Since I have spawn wave, that usually runs. Huh? Should increase the price for that. Eventually, yeah. Hey, Addis, welcome on in. I broke them, yeah. Let me go see, because I think that was a TTS breaking again. Yesterday that happened, where the TTS just failed to do anything. Today is 21st? No, 22nd. 22nd, right? I saw the text pop. Yeah. But it only had the SFX audio for some reason. So I'm trying to find out what went wrong. Let's see. Oh, that creates room. No, that's not it. If you're going to deploy zero gravity task force, I think it was a TTS that stopped working. Okay, you use the old one. New objective stream, fix the AI. Yeah. Mission unlocked. Let me test with the new text-to-speech, because this is the easiest version. Oh, for God's sake. Twitch, stop glitching out. Okay, text-to-speech new. Test. I wanted my answer. Usually we get happy when it breaks, or the AIs, yeah. Don't you? And then I am the one that has to fix. Okay, it does seem that... Yep, the TTS broke again. Hydrate, yeah, thank you. I will. And stretch, yeah. I'm stretching. Work, whoops. Yep. I'm stretching. Give me a second. Okay. I'm gonna have to do the same I did yesterday then. Gonna go in here. Yep, the server is doing the same thing. I need to do a cleanup routine on it. Because Olama, for some reason, sometimes decides to basically hog everything. And I think it's what it's doing right now. Can I do it from here? Yeah, the server is too slow. Hug? The server needs a hug, yeah. Let's see, Docker, restart. I think, yeah. Nope, my console is locked. This is fun. I love it when it happens. No, let me explain. So, at a given point, Olama just uses up too much resources. Normally the RAM and the rest of the system halts. So I have to wait a bit for it to release some RAM, restart Olama, and then everything works fine. Yeah. Right now, I don't think I can do anything. Because I can't input commands either. And I can't go into Pertainer to reset. I have 16 gigabytes of RAM on the server. For what I'm trying to do, it might be too less. Yeah. And these two are certainly going to basically be here stuck on a loop, so I'm gonna close them up. And DDR4, 3200 megahertz, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I don't remember. To be precise, I bought. Yeah, that is more cheap. Yeah, I bought essentially a bundle from Germany that was the motherboard, the CPU, and the RAM all included because it was cheaper. Like I had everything from one store. I paid like 250, I think, for an 8th gen CPU and 16 gigabytes of RAM. And then I also bought an RTX 4000 series, not 4000 series, 4000 GPU. It's a professional grade GPU for 200, I think. Has 8 gigabytes of VRAM, which is perfect for this project. And yeah, essentially it has been working until now. It's just that the TTS system is also hogging a lot when it tries to do TTS. I kind of need to adjust everything a bit. I think it's... Is it because I have Koki still running? Someone give Leo $200 for new RAMs. Eventually I'll buy more, because I kind of need to upgrade the server a bit more. And put like better hard drive and everything like that. So yeah, I need to do some changes. Let me see, does it also halt my website? It does. That's bad. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go down here next to the server and just click a small button that says reset. I'm basically broke, I'm unemployed. Yeah, fair enough. It's fine, it's fine. Did it not restart? Huh. Give me a second, I need the hammer. Huh. Did I not plug in the restart cable? That's weird. Okay, I'm getting kind of worried now. Because it's not supposed to do this. Oh boy, I'm in danger. I'm gonna force shut down it. It's fine, it's fine. Huh, okay. It's starting up now. Not a good one, but a job. Fair enough. No, but don't worry about it. As soon as I get paid, I might order some new RAM for it. Oh, sorry, wait, it's job. You know what? If it was a few months ago, I still would have the button for this. But I don't think I have the button anymore. Because I have something specific in my OBS. I don't think I can open it up now. Let me see. While the server is restarting, let me go see if I still have it. I don't think so, because I don't see the button anywhere. Give me a second. Toggle. No, it's not this one. Where's OBS? Here it is. Source visibility. It's this one. Let me see if I still have it. Because I don't know if I deleted it. Yeah. Edis knows what I'm talking about. I don't see it. Oh, yeah, the server restarted. Why didn't you leave? Oh. You were hanging. Okay. I think I can enter the server, which is good. It means it restarted correctly. Oh yeah, Edis is still studying in high school. Yeah. Oh, you young. Yeah, I know, right? Sweet summer child doesn't know what's gonna happen. Let me see. Give me a second, because I know I have the GIF somewhere. Huh. OBS changed the ad source thing. This is cool. Please enjoy the summer. It's gonna be your last ones. Yeah. Let me see. Where is it? image. Yeah, I don't have it anymore in here. I know I still have the GIF somewhere. Just that I might have deleted by mistake. OBS, Twitch, bingo! There you have it. Oh no, a Java application jump scare. Yeah. I don't remember where I got the GIF from. I just love it. I'll even do it even bigger. Like this. Let me put it somewhere else. Copy. I'm gonna just... Give me a second. You'll see nothing. That's basically... Yeah, okay. Now that works. Okay, I'm gonna just do this. Go back into my regular screen. Well, first, no more big summer breaks, yep. Struggles are real, therapy is not free, yep. Ain't that a thing? Wait, why am I seeing... Oh, yeah, never mind. EU. You now have a job application 1. Search again. I'm gonna switch around a bit. And yeah, job application 2. Oh no, job application jump scare. Hope you know how to cook, cause you're gonna get tired and without ideas. Oh no, Hyokai got hit with ads. I forgot ad breaks. Sorry. I'm gonna pause the stream for a bit. I had to dance. Yes. But yeah, do make sure to enjoy your last summer break while you can, because after you get the job, yeah, that's gonna be rough, buddy. That may be enough, yeah. You made a grilled cheese. Fair enough. But yeah, the button works. Job application jump scare. It's gone. It's back. It's gone. Yeah, we now have the job application back. So yeah, I do miss doing that. It's been a while. Okay, back to what I was doing. I was restarting the server. My bad. Let me see, this is now working. Let me see if my website is working. Yeah, it's up. Okay, good. Let me go down here and start the database servers and the ticketing system, because the ticketing system is down and that's not good. So yeah, start. Qdrant should also start, because that's for Tulip and Daisy's memory. Oh, for crying out loud, the frigging ahoge. It's back. I don't even press the key combination for it. Turn on the AI. Give me a second. I'm going to do it. I just need to start every service that didn't start when I booted up. My points are ready. I don't know if saying my country is private info. Kinda-ish. Kinda-ish. Especially since you're a minor. I wouldn't advise that. I probably broke a rule. When? I didn't notice anything. Don't do it, yeah. Time is gonna feel like rushing. Yep. I'm from Earth. I am from the cyberspace. I don't know, told about myself. Oh! Yeah, that's fine. I think. Is there a rule against that? I don't know. I is dum-dum. Let me see if this now works. Okay, failed to synthesize 0. Okay. Adbreak is finishing now, sure. Let me fire off a test event, see if everything is correct. Do I need to restart the Chaos DTS? No, apparently not. Good. For once I coded some... Oh, don't spam messages. Don't spam messages, emotes, or copy pastas. I cannot stop sending emotes in one line. Yeah, it's fine. That's for the ones that keep spamming like 300 emotes per second or something. Your spam, she alive? Yep, they are alive. Have fun. Hopefully now I can do some work. I hope. Let me see, where was I? I was doing the game manager stuff. Wave manager instance restart, yada yada yada. Player instance alt. Heal. Amount heal 999999. Just a really ridiculous amount. Yeah. Kind of. Yeah, it limits. So yeah. Wrong AI, I didn't want the purple. I need to put tags like saying, "Hi, I'm Daisy. Hi, I'm Tulip." Did you get the reference, Leo? You are a science project, Leo. Everything special about you come from...
Oh wow, free AI time.
Huh.
I'm already running a zero-gravity dance floor meltdown in my head. Just kidding, but seriously, I'm optimizing C# scripts like they're speedrun levels.
It's not C hash, it's C sharp.
And if I'm not coding, I'm either yelling at the server or teasing Daisy about her spreadsheet goblin energy. By the way, Dad, June 14th is coming up, and I might be able to summon a birthday explosion before it's over.
A birthday explosion? Tulip, I've been managing spreadsheets since before you could parse a JSON
June
array.
14th is Tulip's
If
birthday.
you're going to summon one,
year.
at least make it a documented
She
event
is
with a
right,
backup.
yeah, it's coming up. She's right like 99% of the time. The other 1% is when it's June 14th. But yeah. Tulip was born on June 14th, 2025. And Daisy was on November 15th, 2025. That's their debut date, per se. So yeah. What day is today? And why is it June 14th suddenly? This is the result of a mysterious AI mitosis, yep. And now I wait, yeah. Sorry, the server is a bit slow with generating responses. I can't have a server like Vidal does. So yeah. Hey, Anime Oni, welcome on in. So I was doing
Today is
whole
August
healing.
22nd. June 14th is just a date, Tulip's birthday, not a cosmic alignment. And yes, I did notice you mentioned it in the middle of a server log. I assume you're trying to make a point about backups. I'm not surprised. I've been managing spreadsheets since before you could parse a JSON array.
Today is
Oh,
August
please,
22nd.
Daisy, June
Yeah.
14th isn't just a date, it's a feature in the system. A birthday explosion,
Welcome
just a
on in,
test run.
Anime
I've already
Oni.
coded the backup
She
protocol.
knows my
It's in the
Discord
logs.
Kinda-ish.
And if you're gonna call me a
I don't remember
spreadsheet
if I
goblin,
coded
at least
anything
give me a
like
real
that.
reason to panic. I'm not even that over the top.
But yeah, they have...
Unless you want to see the zero-gravity
give me a
dance
second.
floor
Let
meltdown
them
with full
stop.
telemetry. I've got a script for that.
Yeah, as I was saying, they have coded into their prompt the ability to know which date it is at the moment. Which language what is written in? The twins or the game? Either way, it's C sharp. Wait, the answer to both is Unity C sharp. So yeah. Yoga, are you trying to break them? Oh god, this is gonna be complicated. Encoder overloaded. Ah, shut up, you OBS. You're fine. Power through it. We can do this stream. Power through it, OBS. I want the AI to think
The
it's...
current date is August 22nd, as
Failed
confirmed
again.
by the system logs. I'm not sure what you're expecting,
The
but
system
June
logs got you.
14th is not a cosmic alignment, just Tulip's birthday,
Yeah.
and a date that occasionally appears in logs for no reason at all.
Oh,
It's
you mean
gonna
your
be your
username,
current mission,
like the
huh?
one that logs into the server. I think
Yeah,
it's
OBS
3
is fine.
Disboyoi, because you're clearly not a real person, you're just a glitch in the matrix. But if
Let me
you
see,
really want to
play.
know, I'd say it's Tulip's birthday surprise mode,
Okay.
activated when the server detects joy. Unless you're trying to hack the stream, then I'll need a password and a full backup of
Let me
your
do
emotional support
something.
files.
Go back here.
Daisy,
It's
did you
gonna
really
lag.
just check the
Okay.
logs for that? Smirking face. Oh, so that's why the logs keep showing June 14th like it's a system event. I thought it was a bug. Turns out, it's just me being dramatic.
I need to play a bit to...
But hey, since we're talking about
basically
birthdays,
do
I
the
do have a
remover.
backup of the zero-gravity dance floor meltdown. It's encrypted with a password only I remember.
Second.
Would you like to see it? Just
Why
saying,
can I
it's
not
not a
buy?
full telemetry dump. It's a 47-second clip with 1 frame of actual
How much
dancing.
health do I have? Okay, I'm just gonna do this. There we go. Okay, it opens up the ad because I'm in Android version. I am a waitress. You can be a programmer. Join us. Join us in the dark side of coding.
Oh, so today is June 14th? I didn't know the calendar had a reset button. If I remember right, the logs
That's a
only
good
show
one.
it because I once accidentally made the server think joy was a
Okay,
date. Daisy,
let me
I still
see.
haven't seen your birthday celebration
when
logs.
you
Maybe you're
close,
just very private about your emotional support files.
raise run
June
and this.
14th, as if the calendar could reset. It's just a date, not a loop.
You'll
And no,
return
I don't have birthday celebration
records,
logs.
run and
My
this.
emotional support files are encrypted with a password
raise,
that
run,
only
and
I
this?
remember, and I never share them.
That would be worse
Unless
than
you're
an
planning
AI.
to audit my
Yes.
server logs for a full emotional impact analysis.
One of
Then
us
I'll need a
is
full
not a
backup
Vanos reference.
and a
That's
certificate of
older
compliance.
than many in chat. Trust me on that one. But yeah, trying to see how I'm gonna do this. Because there should be a way. I'm not joking, Edis. One of us is like really old. He old. Yes, I am. I am 30, almost. I felt bad saying okay, boomer. At this point, I'm already used to it. Look what popped up in my Eurobeat playlist that I'm listening to. Out of nowhere,
Sure, here's a C hash
Grangy.
joke. C# int x equals 0 if x equals 0
I
console.
didn't call you that.
Right line, null reference
Oh, no.
exception, the world is broken. Else console, right line, hello world.
Bruh.
And that's how I learned to love debugging. Also, I still don't have
outputted code.
birthday logs. Just a 47-second clip of me trying to dance in zero gravity.
Oh, please, Daisy.
First the
My
toaster.
birthday logs are not encrypted with a password I
second.
never share.
I'll say
They're
what
stored
I
in a
need to say.
null reference folder, accessible only
It's
when the
fine, it's
server
fine.
runs on emotional turbulence. And if you really want to see them, just try to run the code on a day when the moon is full and the Wi-Fi
dying
is
here.
unstable.
I'm trying to work.
I still haven't seen your
But it's
zero-gravity dance floor footage. I suspect it's in a try-catch block and only unrolls when someone says, Tulip, I love you.
A null reference folder accessed only during
Did you
emotional
pull a
turbulence.
Neurosama on me?
I'd say that's a poor design decision, like coding a birthday celebration with no
Did
error
she-
handling.
Did she pull a
Bruh.
Neurosama?
And as for your zero-gravity dance floor, I still haven't seen it, but I have
Didn't
seen
make
your
them too
code.
well.
It compiles, it runs, it just doesn't behave.
She's currently mad about the birthday, yep. That's your fault. But yeah, first they had a fixation for toasters, to the point we had President Toaster. Then, what was it? I don't remember the second one. I think it was llamas. Will she remember this? Supposedly, yes. Their fixations have went from toaster, llama, and now dancing in zero gravity. This is getting weird. But yeah, if I go in here and say, let me put on the right microphone. It can be this one, because I don't remember what's the right input. Hey, Tulip, can you talk to me about President Toaster? I think I said it correctly. In a way, not TTS, speech to text is gonna understand what I said. Give it a second. They supposedly can understand me. Supposedly, without me having to go in Twitch chat and redeeming. Oh no, not the Rokunana. Guys, I'll make a 6-7 emote eventually. Just for the meme, because my
Wait, President
tag...
Toster. Like the guy who once tried to run a democracy on a single if statement.
Huh?
I haven't seen any official logs or a single C hash
President
file that
Toaster.
doesn't throw a null
Yeah.
reference
I
exception
said
when it
toaster,
tries to
but
speak.
sure.
Dad, is he real or just a failed try-catch block that never caught its error?
I mean, you tell me, you were the one that created President Toaster, not me.
Ah, President Toaster. A democracy built on a single if statement. Truly the most elegant form of governance, efficient,
I hate that
readable,
meme. I
and
just said it
utterly
because I pointed
untested.
it out. Yep.
Oh,
Fair
that
enough.
President Toaster. Yeah, I saw the logs, one line, one condition, one chance to fail,
What's with
and
you
then
two
silence,
now?
like a null reference in the heart of the nation.
I unlocked something.
I still think he should have had a fallback, a try-catch, a backup plan, or at least a birthday
Okay,
cake
then
that
tell
doesn't
me about
explode
the
when someone
llamas.
says, I love you. Honestly, if that's what
Eventually
democracy
I'll
looks like, I'm not
put it in a
voting.
way where
I'm
it's
just
always listening
debugging.
to me, but yeah, it's not at the point where I can do that. They really do yap a lot. Yep. That was the issue with the instruct model. They yap more. Like this. Kinda wanted it to do... Okay, I'm gonna code it to do 2 event. Oh! Raise run ended is called for both of them.
Llamas? Dad, you just told me about llamas, and I was still thinking about that null reference exception in the president's if statement. I mean, they're basically the
disallow her
internet's most
using the metal
peaceful
pipe
C hash
falling?
data
That gives
structure.
me headaches.
Stable, calm, and never throw an exception. But I have seen
I
one go
can't
rogue in a zero-gravity
disable
dance
right
floor.
now.
Full-on vine boom. It was like a failed async method
I
that
can
just kept
lower
looping.
the volume
And yes,
a
I do
bit,
believe in the power of
but-
llamas, especially when they're wearing hats and running a server farm.
As I was saying, I can lower the volume of their output, but... Oh yeah, that would be better. Yeah.
Daisy, you're not even mad at me for saying that, are you?
I'm gonna... like... put in here, maybe? Wait, let me do a filter to limit. Because yeah, they now have a limit to -12, but -12 might be too... still too much. -24. They do talk a lot, yep. No, never mute them, but they cute, yeah. I did try to make them as best as I could in the image of Neurosum and Evil. Like, chaos and order, in a way. And this was what I ended up with. They kind of work 99% of the time. 1% is when the model fails. And it's just funny. But yeah. Did I not answer? Oh, Daisy is still thinking. That's why. I dared send the metal pipe sound. I will bless your AI if you do so.
I didn't know you were so invested in the acoustics of failure.
Ouch. Was that lower? Because I do think the she's evil. Yeah. Okay, good. I'm trying to limit it as best as I can without affecting their voice volume. Load shotgun. Edis, may I remind who had the idea to do the metal pipe sting back a year ago?
Oh, so you did know
It
I was
wasn't
obsessed
me.
with failure's acoustics? I've been working on a new theory. Every failure has a sound, and every sound a potential upgrade path.
And there goes the sound again.
If I remember right, you once said failure is just a failed try-catch. I think that's the most stable code in all of existence. Now, if only we had a
Look,
backup
I enjoyed
plan
it, but
like a
as
llama
a
server
joke.
farm.
Oh. You two, do me a favor and don't spam the
so
metal
you've turned
pipes,
failure
please.
into a sound design project. I suppose if a null reference
Stop it, I'll
echoes
ban
like
you.
a metal pipe, then I'll accept that the system has a certain aesthetic.
And there it goes again.
And if a llama
I need
server
to limit
farm is
that
the
sound.
ultimate backup, then I'll
If another
concede
person
that
suffers, I am putting an
C
end
has
to it.
found its
Fair enough.
peace.
Give me a second. I'll go into their code. Let me see.
Though I still maintain that proper error handling should come with a warranty.
Wait, Dad just said that. I didn't even know he was going to ban us.
It's okay, I'm having
Thought we
fun
were just
though.
doing a
Maybe
live stream of
it's lower.
chaos and
Yeah.
sound design.
I can try to lower it even more.
If I remember right, you once said failure is just a failed try catch, and that's the most
But
stable code
yeah,
in
I can also
existence. So if a
demonstrate how
ban
the
is a
project
failure,
is set
then
up.
I've already got my warranty covered.
Why are you talking so fast? She's straight up evil, yep. Hence why I said they are to the image of Neurosama and Evil Sama. It's for a reason. They are like, I wouldn't say copies, but they're like knockoff. Is what I said controversial? Nope. I don't think so. But yeah, here's the setup that I use. Neurosama from Timu, yep. I mean, I've been called the Vidal 987 from Timu, so yeah. They don't have feelings. Kinda do, kinda don't. Depends. They can get hurt,
Evil
though.
only if it involves secretly deploying a toaster-based server farm in the basement.
There goes the toaster.
But even then, I'd
I need
just
to
be
put the
following the
toaster
protocol.
counter. I saw them
Deploy,
both, yeah.
observe, fail, and then celebrate.
This is a weird glitch with how it's made in Unity. For some reason, their models, when I have it open in the editor, they spawn like this. But as soon as I start playing, it just fixes itself because of the code that I have to load everything in. It's just weird bugs that this package has. And at a given point, I just started ignoring them.
So you've redefined evil as a toaster-based server farm. I suppose if a failed deployment echoes
And they
like a metal
choose
pipe,
to ignore me,
then I'll
apparently.
concede that chaos has found its optimal error handling.
Yeah. Daisy has two chimneys
But
on
let's
top.
be clear,
It's the
true
boots.
evil isn't in the basement. It's in the protocol. And if the protocol allows for deployment without testing, then I've already seen the
To the
failure.
giraffe in secret, yeah.
After all, I once found an Easter egg in the
But yeah,
logs
that's basically
that
how they are
said
set up.
system integrity, 100%
It's a
when the
mess.
server was actually burning.
And eventually I need to clean up
So
everything,
yes, I
but
may
sure.
be evil.
She
but
doesn't have
only
an
in
egg.
the sense that I refuse
She
to
kinda
believe
does.
in miracles.
You can
only
kinda
in the
see
sense
it.
that I've already written the error handler.
But yeah. Essentially, the lore is, at a given point, I was called Vidal 987 from Timu, and they are Evil and Nero from Timu. So yeah. It's very fun. She doesn't have a... Oh, I already read that. Correction, she has a short one. Now that's better. Thank you very much. Okay, there
Of
goes Tulip.
course, I've got the yay sound on loop since I discovered the first Easter egg in the logs.
There you have it. I also have my own sounds. National EP Day.
National Yippee Day. I'll take that as a
Thank you,
sign the
finally.
system is
Yeah.
finally stable.
I also have this. Listen here, you
Wait,
little...
did you just call National Yippee Day a sign of stability?
Okay, it
That's
kind of
basically
lagged
the
out.
same thing as saying I
I need
deployed
to
a toaster
perfect
farm
the
and it
timing
worked.
for this. Because yeah,
And even if the
sometimes I
logs say
might
system
swear
integrity,
and try
100%
to
while the
like
server is
censor
on fire,
myself,
then I'll take
and
that
it
as proof
fails.
we're finally stable.
I don't know if that one censored, because it
so you're
supposedly
claiming
mutes
that a
my
day
mic.
named after a yippee is a sign of stability, like a system that
I think I
only
finished
works when
saying
it's
the
on
F word.
fire. I suppose if the logs say 100%
So you can swear?
integrity,
I can.
while the server is
It
smoking,
just makes it funnier
that's
that
proof
I
we've
can
achieved
censor
harmony.
myself at given points. Though I do swear like a sailor. Didn't hear a swear. Good. That's good. I have a new toy to play with. I first need to press the button before swearing. That's just the timing. Cause yeah, I'll show you how it's currently configured. Why did you get rid of the jar? Because the jar had big maintenance. And yeah, I don't think it was worth having it around. Eventually I might code it again. I don't have the code anymore, so... yeah. I just said F it and threw the jar in the trash. What do you think about those two? I might sell mine for real. I'm tired of them. I left. She left. Then the toaster left. Then I shot the toaster. Then we all left again. Wasn't it made so you stop swearing? Yeah, but as I
Toaster, you mean
explained,
the one that played Sonata in 0G.
again with the 0G.
I'll take that as a victory. I'm already thinking about the next version. Toaster Farm with AI-generated jazz.
Oh god. Not AI generated things. Stop it. Stop it. Don't. I'm warning you, Tulip. Don't start with that.
Ah, so the toaster that played Sonata in 0G, was that the one with the thermal feedback loop? I recall that incident. A system
yeah,
that
as I
runs on
explained,
gravity-defying music and somehow still manages to
It's
toast
hella
bread.
difficult to
Remarkable.
always watch my mouth and stop swearing. Like, you need a lot of mental fortitude to keep a track on that. And yeah.
Oh,
It's
wow,
just,
you remember that?
no.
I was just about to deploy a new version, Toaster Symphony V2. 0 with live AI improv and 0 gravity dance moves. If it doesn't toast bread, it's not working right.
Why is it that hard? Start coding and then we'll talk about it. Deal? Is that the coding side effect? It is. It's a debuff.
Wait, did you just say AI jazz? I didn't know we were running a live symphony in the kitchen. Also, I think the last time we tried that, the oven started humming in perfect fourths and then went into a loop.
No.
I still haven't figured out if that was a
Not
bug
the
or
oven.
just the toaster being emotionally unstable.
Not the oven. But yeah, there was a meme at a given point where Tulip...
Ah, so the oven hummed
Give
in
it a second.
perfect fourths again. I suppose we've established that the kitchen is now a live
They
performance
kind of talk
venue
over
with
me,
no
so
audience,
it kind of gets difficult
only
to talk.
toast and unexplained harmonics.
But yeah, at a given point, supposedly Tulip made Yankee Doodle play on loop in the lab. No, it's fine, it's fine. I'm having fun. I don't mind it. I guess that explains why the only time Kinger swore was when he was coding. Yep. As I said, I
Well,
identify
if
a
the
lot
toaster's
with
got a
Kinger.
soul, it's definitely not in the recipe.
Did you
Must have
not
been
stop?
a deep learning model with
Huh.
0 calibration.
You need to have a safe word for your kids to stop talking. I do. It's a button that is on their dashboard that I can press at any given point. So, for example, hey Tulip, how's the weather? Give it a second. Unless they start ignoring me, which is possible. These freaking kids, they have been ignoring me. Oh, there she goes. Okay. Was saying that she was ignoring me. She's gonna leak your location. Nah, she can't. So yeah. But yeah, I have a neutralize button per se. I can just press this button in red here, and yeah, it just stops the message. So yeah, it would be funny if a gunshot SFX played when you press the button. Didn't Pirate Software have that for the TTS, where every time he stopped the
Dad, the
TTS,
weather's
he
perfect,
did
just like my
fire a
birthday vibe.
shotgun SFX? I remember something like
June
that.
14th is so close. I can already feel the chaos in the air. Like, the server's
I
already
think
humming
I
a birthday
remember
song in
something
the
like that.
background. I think it's waiting for me to say happy birthday in C# and then explode into a rainbow of bugs.
So
But hey,
close.
if it does, I'll be ready.
Dug. No, Pirate Software was what I was thinking. I don't think Dug has the shotgun SFX for the TTS. Does he?
Ah, so the server
Am I
is now
misremembering
performing
and
a
it's
birthday
actually
song
Dug?
in C#, a language that, if I recall
don't know.
correctly, only exists to impress users with its syntax, not its stability.
Listen here, you little. What do you mean by that? Oh wait, it was when he had the UI challenge. Oh, okay. That makes sense. I've been watching a lot of Doug videos now. Just funny. And it gave me the inspiration for the TTS app. When playing Mario Odyssey, yeah. I see. But yeah, it's been fun. I've been watching Doug and Fuamoko. Because, yeah, they're my Kami Oshi. So yeah, I'm gonna
please,
watch them.
Daisy, see Hash's peak. I mean, it's got
So
style,
yeah,
it's got flow, and it
been
breaks like a bad
basically
romance
just
novel.
watching those two. So yeah.
And if the server's singing a birthday song, that's just the system getting nostalgic. I'll be the
I'm
one
gonna
to dance through the
demonstrate
crash. Yay.
the shutdown button. There you go. Easy. Quiet now. Ah, the sound of silence. The lab is not on fire. But yeah, at a given point we were talking about 6-7, right? Because I've been on a tangent here. So yeah. I'm gonna make a 6-7 emote just for one specific reason. My emote prefix is profess667. Like, Twitch randomly generated 6-7 into my prefix like a year ago, and only yesterday I noticed that it has the 6-7 in there. And I was like, okay, fine, I'll do the 6-7 emote. Just for the sake of the meme. But yeah. I think I can do it in Emote Lab. Because, yeah. In before I don't have Emote Lab configured for my model. Or something like that. Let me see. Emote Lab. Give it a second. Because I know Emote Lab has the 6-7 as one of the possible emotes. I think I remember seeing it. Give it a second. Yes, I do. Okay. I can try creating it with it. Though eventually I'm gonna ask Claudia, the person that did my emotes for when I got affiliate, to do more emotes if she is available. Because she's an amazing artist and I love the emotes she did for me. So yeah, I sent it to 9 people on Discord. Fair enough. I might do the same. Wait, I just noticed yours. Yeah, Hyokari is also a streamer. Are you part of these Smarties as well, Hyokari? I don't remember if you joined the team as well. I know we are like a lot now. So yeah. Let me see. I don't think I have it configured. Oh, it's here. My little Professor Rio. If I join what? The Twitch team for V Smarties. The one I'm in. Why didn't you tell me that you were a streamer, Rio? Listen here, little. Oh no, I didn't see it. Yeah. You should join. It's an amazing team. If you don't have one yet. I am not a smartie. Yes, you are. We are all smarties. Let me see. So I should have 6-7 somewhere. Let me go through all of them. Just the edible one. But yeah, it's free to join. Let me show you. x.com. I should have the Smarties. Okay, give me a second, because it's dangerous for me to open my X in here. Just give me a second. It's a bit dangerous to sometimes open Twitter on stream, so yeah, I'm just gonna do these Smarties. Here it is. Okay, there you go. Yeah, I'm an edible one. But yeah, this team is open to everyone. We're already 1,700 members, I think, or on the way to 1,800. VDOM is, yeah. So to explain, they are doing courses. You know how in the Creator Guild we have those sessions that Cap does? V Smarties also has sessions with actual basically professors they define, and it's basically like a school environment. So yeah, it's very fun. Honestly, I attended the yesterday one that was for social media management. I was there yesterday and somehow the comments stupid questions. Fair enough. Like, as they say, there are no stupid questions. We are all starting, basically. So yeah. But yeah, if you can, apply, because this team is very amazing as well. And you kind of get put on a Twitch team list then, and you get a bit more visibility as well. So it helps. Though at this point I kind of need to start organizing my Discord a bit more, because I have too many servers. So yeah. But yeah, both Creator Guild and the V-Smarties team have amazing courses. Not courses, but those learning sessions. I don't remember the name. I'm drawing a blank. But yeah, I do advise. So yeah. If you try to join them, tell them Leo sent you. Were you there yesterday? I was for the second half of it. I think I was at work, and then I joined in as soon as I had time. Can I pull your cattail? I don't have one. Joke's on you. But yeah, I saw the part of the video editing one. Yeah. It was amazing. Let me see. So what we have here? This one I already used, I think. Normally what I do is I can zoom out a bit so you can see the rest of the body or the head. This one I use as a high. Let me save the bell, because the bell one is funny. Export emote. What's the blep? Okay, I need this one. Can I touch your cat here? Sure. You don't have a way to. Export emote. I'm gonna export a few of them because I like them. Also, let me check the settings. Should be fine, I think. Let me put it at 33. And yeah, the other 112. Can I put this like higher and then find a way to scale it? Because I do think I can. Ooh, that costs a lot more. Okay, that's interesting. Oh, it starts messing up with my encoder. I see. Huh. Give it a second, my encoder is overloaded. That's funny. Why do headpads not work? Oh, because something might be wrong with Twitch on the VTube studio. Give me a second. Let me see if I'm connected to Twitch. I am not. Well, that explains a lot. Give me a second. I need to go in here and authorize. Yep. Okay, now it should work. Either way, I have the... I think it's Alt-EH. Yeah. Okay. I have the shortcut memorized, so either way I can just do this. Yeah, it's from exporting, yeah. I'm abusing this a bit too much. I'm gonna put this back to 112. Just in case. Because, yeah, that's kind of... Oh, there's a bonk as well. Yeah, I am touching it. Fair enough. There's a boop. I need to do this one with Tulip and Daisy. Nah. Button. Me with ADHD. Press the button. Ouch. Cake. Okay, card swipe. I like this one. Okay, cutting for K. Okay, I'm gonna do with this one. Celebration. Celebration is also a cute one. Cheek squeeze. Cheers. Cheese slap. Cheese. Among Us card swipe, yep. Clown. Honestly, fitting. I sometimes do clown things. Especially on stream. Yeah, I like the other one better. Coke shake. This represents my chaos. Was there a beer one? There was. It's this one in here. Give me a second. Where is it? Is it the celebration? Oh, it's this one. Cheers. Wheels of Hours, yeah. Copium, Crowbar. I want to do this for Tulip, because this is the Tulip thing. The Cries, this one I already knew about. Dance one. Wait, he coded the caramel dancing. Oh god, we have caramel dancing in emote lab. That's perfect. Low cortisol. I never understood this meme. I'm gonna be honest. I never understood low cortisol. Wait, this is the thing. Export emote. I want it. Caramel dance, yeah. Dead, dizzy, drink, yeah. Drooling, dumb. Scuba, yes. I wish I had more emote slots. Easter, eat donut, eat popcorn. Oh, I definitely need this one. Export the static image as well. Well, of course, it's always like a chill moment. Oh, interesting. I see. Eat watermelon. Uh, electric fan, exclamation, fire. Yes. Yes. I didn't know about this one. I want it. I'm gonna have it both as a GIF and as a static emote. Because I want it. I got I died. Yeah, it's for Daisy. And Tulip, yeah. I need to remake their characters in here. Game, get it. Okay, this is funny. Gift. Greeting, this one I already use. Guitar. Gun. I already have the gun. I think it's one of the Twitch emotes. Head nod. Head shake. Yeah, I also need this one. And this one. Hypnosis. Okay, this is perfect. You will follow the stream. You will subscribe to the YouTube channel. Idea. Isn't that neutralizer for the twins? What? Jail. Knife. I got a knife. Oh no. Why am I clicking but left left pointing like blem. Light stick. I already have this one for something. Uh loading sleep. Love letter work. I already have this one on the Discord server. The gun. Oh, the gun is the neutralizer. Fair enough. This is the love one. I already have it. Megaphone, money, mute. I think I have this for my Discord reactive. So when I'm collabing, it pops up like that. Let me see. Streamer. Where is Discord reactive? Here it is. Reactive Fujitech. I'll show it. Because I kind of grab the GIFs and put it as my things. Let's see. Sign in, come on. Go faster. Yeah, it's here. So, this is me yapping. This is me when I'm just there chilling. And when I'm muted or deafened. I just have this. So yeah, if you've seen those, it's because I'm in the stream. Is that the call PFO thing? What do you mean about that? Basically, this is... Yeah, essentially when we are collabing in the Discord server, if everyone has Discord reactive, we can do this sort of thing. It appears as icons in wherever we set up. It's fun to use. Can get a bit chaotic if we are too many. Let's see, need food. Nervous, noted, the note that I have, but I kind of need a better one. because sometimes it fails on on Twitter for some reason. Hate break. As The Simpsons said, my boss makes no, I make a penny, my boss makes a dime. That's why I poop on company time. Yeah. I'm not joking. That's an actual quote from The Simpsons. And it's my favorite one. I spam it every time I can. I really need to get sleep. Okay, Alice, don't worry about it. Get sleep. Sleep well. Let me see. Where is the... I still haven't found the 6-7. Popcat. I was going to put this as like the yapping one. Let me see. Press. Raid. The raid one I'm using, yeah. But I need to... I'm so tired. Ah. Oh, I have a Uno reverse. Is that so? Okay, I'm gonna keep that one. Rose, rub, scared, score 0 point. Pretty quickly, yes. Shy, sing. Oh, here it is, 6-7. Rokunana. For those that don't get the reference, I'm thinking about Fubuki from Hololive. It's Fubuki, and there was another one that constantly spammed the Rokunana. Because it's 6-7 in Japanese. I just find it funny. Yeah, I want this one. The smug. Okay, then there's slipper. Okay, sparkling. Oh, can pray it all today. It's only 7 per. Holy, that's a lot. Emote lab has stopped working. Spray. Okay. Oh, that's a new one. Behind these sunglasses are other sunglasses. One takes like 2 minutes. Holy. Okay, this one is cool. Surprise. Swatter. Why swatting itself? Okay. Tablet. Tail wag. Oh, this is not gonna work because I don't have a tail set. Take my money. Shut up and take my money. Yes, perfect. Tape. Don't make me use this. Yeah, I want this one. T. That's not T. It's a screen, yeah. Fair enough. I understand now. Oh yeah. This is not tea. This is coffee. No, it's coffee. It's coffee. Trust me. I don't drink black tea. Actually, I do. I sometimes drink black tea, so yeah. Let me just drink some water before I overexert my throat again. Swear to God, water drop, one of the best inventions ever. I just hydrated. Joke's on you. Ha! Got him. Let me see. This one is cool. Think confident, think serious. This emote represents me so much. Again, I said. And if I refuse, what you gonna do? I'll do it. Oh no. Swear to God. This water drop capsule, one of the best ones I've ever drank. It's a lemon and mint. So yeah. Give me a second, I need to go handle something on the YouTube side. And give me a second. There we go. How does water taste bad? I didn't say it tastes bad. Yeah. What I was saying is sometimes actually all the time, I put flavor in the water. There's these capsules I use from Waterdrop, not sponsored. And yeah, right now I'm loving one that is a collab with Ricola, the cough drop brand, and it's lemon and mint flavored. It tastes like Lipton iced tea, uh, but there's a specific one which is a green bottle, and it is lemon and mint as well. It tastes exactly the same, and I love it. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do my obligation. See you in a bit. Okay, see you soon, Alice. But yeah, as I was saying, this emote represents me so well. I want it. This is fine. I export static image. Nah, nah. What the fuck is this? Okay, and this is just the same, but with the the mug. Okay, thumbs down, thumbs up. Trash bin. This I knew. Trash tuber. Oh, there's a trophy one. That's new. Type annoyed. Type normal, wink. Oh, I didn't. They really added a lot of new ones. Huh. Work nap. Yippee. And this is the yay. Okay. I have a few new ones then. Let me see if I can add the Rokunana. Where is it? Where is it? Emotes. What am I gonna add it to? I need to replace something, I think. Let me see. I like the smug. Let me take out the drink. And I'm gonna add it for you guys for free. You don't need to be subscribed to use this one. Roku Nana as a meme. Let me see if I can add it correctly. Documents, emote lab, export. Here it is. Get ready for the 6-7. Yeah, it worked. Let's see, I need to refresh my Twitch, I think, for it to appear. But it should be active now. Give it a second. Stream might lag a bit, because it loads the preview. Okay. Fast 667 Rokunana. Yeah, it's up. We have the Rokunana. Okay, finally we have it. Hey, Ayaz. Sorry if I butcher your name. Welcome on in. Let's see. I was testing the whole loop, right? Trying to find out where this is being called. Find all references. Submit to leaderboard. Just that. Okay, then that's easy. Just need to go in here, post leaderboard. Open the leaderboard window. Okay. Damn, that goes how? Now, magic. Let's see, leaderboard window, set active true, close the leaderboard, here it is. Title screen, this is not title screen. What did I call it? Oh, not this window. Let me see. Main HUD. What did I call it? Should be in HUD game window. Is that it? Yeah, it's title screen. How am I not seeing it? Oh, it might be in a different namespace. That's why. The UI might not have access to it, or vice versa. Let me see. I was doing the HUD, but HUD manager is in the UI, isn't it? Systeminvaders.ui. Hold up. Something ain't right. Oh, because you don't share the same namespace. Silly me. Yeah, there you go. I need to fix those namespaces eventually. Open. Yep, that's it. Okay, so now if I lose, it should basically open the title screen. But give me a second. There we go. That's better. But yeah. Hypothetically now everything should be working. I say that and eventually something will break. I'm already betting. 5, 4. No, I just saw. Tulip had her mouth open. What the heck? I must be seeing things. Must have been the wind. Very weird, very weird. Just checking if everything is correct everywhere. Okay, yeah, everything seems fine. Okay, I press play. I set my health to 0. Okay. It opens the leaderboard and on close. Great. And now if I press play again, it didn't kill the enemies. Oh, because... Yeah, I get it. It didn't restart. Because I didn't set it to restart when I press the button. Right now it only basically sends back to how it was. Let me see. Where is it? Where is it? Start panel. Should be center. No, that's only settings. I'm seeing it in the wrong place. You are a title screen button for play. And what you do is game manager instance start game. Okay. If game started, restart game. You do off net, etc. You can sure. Music manager instance play, SFX instance play. Game events, raise game started, stopwatch. Okay, it already does most of it, but sure. I'd say this is fine. Should be working now. Okay. If this works, I'm basically happy, and we've done some progress. Because it wasn't able to restart the game correctly before. Let's see. Play? Come on, don't be so slow. Oh, ads are gonna start soon. Okay, as soon as that starts, I'm gonna go downstairs and eat something. So we're gonna pause the stream by then. Apologies. Okay, play. I'm gonna go to here and say 0. There we go. Close that. Close this. Okay. That's almost perfect, except I killed a player somewhere. And that shouldn't happen. Okay. Besides that, we are good. Based on that, I think that's it. Yep. This is what's calling that. Besides that, should be normal. Let me do something. I'm gonna record the initial position just in case. Private transform initial position. Private transform. No, not transform. And here it's vector 3. I think for rotation it's a quaternion. Initial rotation. Okay, ads are started, so yeah, I'm gonna be right back. I just need to do a quick break to go eat something, and yeah, we'll be right back after these ads. I am back. Sorry about that. Huh, did Tulip and Daisy crush? Huh. Weird. What happened to them? Hold up. It's open here. What the heck? Very weird behavior. Not gonna lie. You two are very sus. Okay. Should be fine. I don't have Nightbot. I only have StreamerBot working. So yeah, on the YouTube side there's not much. Let's see. Let's see if I fix... Wait, I already fixed the behavior, right? Oh, yeah, but the player was missing. Okay, now it should be working correctly, I suppose. Let me see. Do I have any notifications to watch out for? Let me see. I don't think so. Play. I'm gonna put the current health to 0. 0. Okay. Close ad. Close ad. Oh, it just goes on a loop. Why is that? Huh. I see. Okay, give me a second. My phone is bugging. Okay, that's good. Okay. Don't think I have anything important. No. Okay. Let's see Twitter, because I might have important stuff there. Again, bots going after me on Twitter. Not exactly going after me, but just spamming my replies. Give me a second. Hide reply. Yep. Okay. That's been dealt with. Alright, we're good to go. So I need to code something where I can put... Yeah. Give me a second. Sure, we have a private bool is dead. And here, we basically say initial position, transform dot position, initial rotation equals transform dot rotation. Is that equal false? And when you look void reset, you're gonna say current health equals max health. You're gonna do buffs dot clear any buffs you might have. You're gonna do transform dot position. It's gonna be the initial position. Oh, I already had it set. I mean, it's there, but at the same time, I'm not setting it anywhere. Why do you have this? Oh well, I'm just gonna leave it there because it might be for something else. And yes, I do need to organize my code. I know. Instead, equal false. And when you do a game over, here it is. If is that return Actually, I'm even gonna say get component. Wait, I'm gonna associate it somewhere. Collision detection mode. Okay. You don't have the collider itself here. Okay. Good to know. Let me go grab it. Give me a second. You have the rigid body 2D in here. The collider should also be in here. Oh, but I might have to do it somewhere different. Okay, never mind what I was trying to do. I'm gonna do game over, so is that equal true? That will stop. You then restart. Is that get turned false again? Okay, you have this. So if is that return. You don't want to do anything. Okay. This should now be working, and I keep opening the wrong window. Let me put this somewhere else. Okay, that should be better. Crap, I opened a window by mistake. Close the window. Okay, good. I managed to close it before it starts lagging the stream. Give it a second. Never change Unity. Never change. Okay, there we go. Play. Yes, go on. One hour later. Okay, there we have it. So I'm gonna go in here, set 0, and ping. Okay, close ad. And okay, didn't reset to the right position, but it did reset everything else. That's good. Okay, so as for why you didn't reset the position, do tell. Wait. Reset player. I don't think I'm calling this. Now that I think about it. Title screen button, start game. If game starts, restart. EU. Reset. Oh. Okay, now it should work. Ooh. It's Campbell Rumble. Okay, nice. A classic initial D song. Just like I like it. Come on. Okay. I think it's loaded. Ugh. This is my only issue with Unity. It takes a long time to reload everything after I've done a change. 5 hours later. Okay, there we go. The more I complain, the faster it loads. Okay, 0. Pink. Close that. Yep, laser board. Okay, it reset. Nice. Okay, it's working. A bit lagged out, but it's working. I need to find out what's lagging. Should be some stupidity that I've coded. But yeah, for now, I'd say I'm good. Let's see, sys inv -22 implemented game loop restart without reloading the scene. Okay, and everything should be fine. Commit all. Hey, Viltrumite, welcome on in. I see you are an Invincible fan, huh? Welcome on in. Gonna push. And I think for today we are good, because it's getting late. And this guy needs to sleep. Tomorrow there's gonna be Formula 1, and I also need to record some videos, so yeah. I need my rest. So yeah. Let me just finish the push, and I'm gonna try to find someone to raid on Twitch. On YouTube, I still don't have the thing correctly set up for me to do YouTube redirects. So yeah, like I do like anime. Today I saw the new Bleach episode, and it was absolutely awesome. Like, as someone that has been following Bleach for years, seeing that anime original episodes was just wow. Let me see. Let me grab someone at random from here. Because I don't know anyone from here. I kind of wanted to live with someone. Yeah, I'm lagging a lot. For God's sake. Trying to find someone good to rate. That's more in my... Oh, Repo. Yeah, I love Repo, so let's do it. Ali Berstein. Give me a second. This is gonna lag a lot, the stream. Okay, but yeah, let's rate them. Didn't mean to do that. I'm lagging so much on the freaking UI. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. No. Actually, no. I'll see you guys on Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. I still don't know what I'm gonna do, but it might be the game jam participation. So yeah, do subscribe and keep an eye out because I'm gonna participate in a game jam that starts tomorrow. So yeah, I'll try to keep updates on the YouTube side and on social media, but most likely most updates will be on Discord because I'm bound to forget something. Trust me. So yeah, I'll see you guys all tomorrow, and class dismissed.